This was my latest wood project. They call it a 3D mechanical wooden puzzle. It's laser cut wood, sheets of plywood that you have to punch out, sand, and then assemble. This tractor took me approximately 15 hours to assemble. There are 136 wood pieces. There are several manufacturers of the kits. This tractor is made by Rokr, a Chinese company, who also they go by the name of Robotime. The hood opens and closes. The steering is functional. And there's a wind-up that will propel the tractor. Has a drawbar on the back, exhaust, and headlights. I have many more projects sitting on the shelf that will be a little more complicated than this one.